Each pair of wireless mics require at least 4, if not 6, AA batteries. 2 go in the receiver and 2 in each of the transmitters. Make sure to align the positive and negative terminals accordingly. Open the covers of the receiver and belt pack transmitter to turn them on. Once you have a locked signal from a properly set pair, you should see the green RF light on the receiver that's mounted atop the camera. This indicates that it is getting a signal from the matching transmitter. You'll know this is the case if you can see the corresponding audio on the LCD screen of the receiver. If both units are on and you are not seeing a signal lock, check the frequency presets. If 2 of the 3 parts have the same frequency preset, then you know the odd one out is the one that needs adjusting. To do that, enter the menu by pressing the Set button and use the arrows to get to the frequency preset option. Select that option by pressing the Set button and use the arrow keys to adjust the numbers until they match. To keep them easy, we have each camera's field pack set so all you have to do is adjust the first number. The second should always be set to .1. If you, however, find interference and that preset isn't working, feel free to make an adjustment on all of the components you are using, but be sure to change them back to their original frequency once you are finished recording. Remember, you cannot have more than one transmitter on and sending a signal to the same receiver at a time. This is what happens. First, let's turn on the handheld transmitter where you'll hear clean audio. But listen to what happens the moment the body pack transmitter is added for the lav mic. Turn one off and the sound is much better again. If you are recording and want to turn off your mic as talent, but don't want to scare the person operating the camera since they are wearing headphones, you can simply mute your mic since turning it off might send a sudden pop through the audio feed. To do that, slide the switch towards the word mute. You'll notice that when you mute the mic, you will no longer be able to see a signal in the LCD screen. It will additionally indicate that the unit has been muted. If you find the audio to be too loud or not loud enough, and no matter what level you set the camera input to, it still remains that way, try first adjusting the sensitivity level on the transmitter, and if that doesn't help, then the AF out level on the receiver. Remember, the red is 0 dB on the audio level meter that you see in the display of your camera. That's the top of the scale in your editor's level meter on the computer. So when you see a number such as -18, that's 18 decibels below 0, for those who like to visualize what that setting actually means. The handheld plug-in transmitter works the same way as the body pack. Open the weather protective cover and the same menu buttons and options are located in that spot. Just be sure the LCD display is properly aligned with its case. When finished, turn everything off and remove the batteries.